There are simple steps to things in life, and for you to rush into your preparation for your driver's license comes with some price, and you need to do it with some steps so that you don't waste your time, like waste 1 year or 2 years to get your driver's license. It is not easy actually to get driver's license, but I'll give you some simple steps that will assist you because most of us they find that difficult now to start. Some of us have been in Italy for many, many years now, but then because we not begin on time or we get to know that to get this driver license is easy, and then because of all these years we don't waste or not wasted because no year was wasted in Italy, because all these years we not prepare, other things take over other things, like you're not prepared to get children, you're not prepared to marry, but it just happened like that, and now you don't settle down, you want to take driver's license, but you get this difficulty on how to go about it. I'll give you some simple steps to it. You may go to driving school if you get the money, but then if you don't get the time, because waiting will first shock you. You say if you go driving school, you will not understand anything. If the language is your problem, you won't understand anything because there they summarize them and tell you to go and read. They believe that you get some ideas of it already. And that's why you get them difficult to even like go to do your own personal one. And that's where I come in to assist and to help. Beside my platform, beside my YouTube or even Facebook, where my videos are there, the ones I've done before, there's an easy step to it again. Introduce you to this application is Guida and Vi, this updated one, Patente Traduto 2024. The patente where they interpret for this year on. And then it's very easy because I will take you along the line how to use this application. With this application, you don't need a personal teacher. With this application, you don't need somebody else to even guide you. You can do this on your own without like stretching yourself. With this application, you don't need any assistance again. You can do it on your own. Just download this application in your phone and then you see how easy it is. The thing that it will guide you, maybe you get some difficulty on a particular topic. You don't read, you don't understand that. You do quiz, you feel that. You don't know why they feel that because there are up to 7,000 questions, if not more than. And then not be everything you feel cramp for head. And not be somebody good day available to assist you always. So like I told you, the driving school now is costly. You spend over 1,000 euro for driving school, for driver's license. And since you don't have that money, imagine saying only you day, only husband they work, you get kids to feed, you get bills to pay, how you want one. The 20 euro where they get, where they keep, save the money for practicals. Because now, for some cities, to do practicals, maybe you pay 60 euro for 1 hour, and then you must do 6 hours with your instructor. Then other hours now, when you not fit complete your 6 hours, if you reach 10 hours. Imagine say you reach 10 hours, that is 6 times 60 times 10. How much is that? 600 euro. How you want to get this money? You know, I know many people they don't even do practical, do all the exams, they not feel get last because they never pay finish. It is not easy. So that's where I come in to help and assist you. What do I do? You attend my classes online free, follow my videos on YouTube free, be part of us in the WhatsApp group free as well. And then this one to assist you. So let me take you through this process because this application, how they work, they say if you get issue with any topic, just go to the application, go for that topic, which I will illustrate to you later. Go to that very topic, look for that particular subject where you find on that topic. I say, oh, you see, say all the quiz, all the questions where they under that topic, will come out for quiz, they are there already answered for you. Explain and answer. So instead of me they look for who will teach you, you can just calm down and say, okay, if I see this one again, na vero or falso, and you are free to go. So that you don't waste your precious time doing everything. Now I wish to take you through the steps on how to use this application to teach yourself when nobody is there to assist you, when you don't have money to pay for an extra class. So what you do, go to your PlayStation for those using Android phones. If you're using Apple phone, you know how to go about it. Now you look for quiz patente traducto 2024, the latest one. This is an application by Guido Levi. There is just the updated one. You open, or if you know this one now, this one has already been downloaded. So I need to download again. So I have to open mine, and then you see where it takes us to. Now it takes us to this particular one. Sorry for the advert. So this is what we'll be seeing. I'm sorry, let me expand the screen that you see it very well. Okay, I think this will be good enough for you to see. So what you do, this is the application, okay? You have everything you need to do here. You have your quiz per argumento, your list, the quiz, and your joke online. You have tutorials, you have your repassi error, meaning this app stores what you're doing, the quiz you could do, and then your argumento quiz. And then this joker online, you could like look for somebody you want to play with, somebody you like playing a game. You have somebody you want to do quiz with, you call the person. The person downloads this application with your phone number. You can share phone number and both of you do the quiz together. Okay? And then what happens? What I'm interested about is the theory part. Click on the theory, okay? And then you see that they are all the chapters you need to do for chapter 1 to chapter 25. And then you have difficulty in a particular chapter. For example, let's take this chapter 5, which I did yesterday with my students. They señale the precedenza. And if, for example, I don't understand a particular subtopic on it, I click on the number 5, just tap on it, it opens. And you see all the subtopics under this chapter 5. These are all señale precedenza, all the figures or images under it. And I realized that maybe I have issues with chapter 14. This diritto di precedenza nei sensi unici alternati, or the one of 13, dare precedenza nei sensi unici alternati. What happens? I click on this 13. What do I see? I see a little lecture on it. I have difficulty in one of these chapters, 13 or 14. So what I do, maybe I do quiz always and I keep filling the quiz. But I don't know who to assist me. I don't know who to help me out. I can't have time to go to driving school. I don't have time to attend even the ones online on TikTok or YouTube. So what I do, or after attending these classes, I have confusion in my own private time. Instead of me disturbing people, looking for who to help, or even going to pay, what I do, I come to this place. Number 13 have issues with this particular diagram in 13. Dal precedente nei sensi unici alternati, I click on it. What happens? I see a little lecture on it already. Teaches me a little lecture on it. I don't understand. I've done this thing in class. I understood, but I can't read because I don't understand what I understood little things because I've gone to school. Now there's an English version under it. It tells me everything. It tells me what I need to know already, and the English one interprets it for me. And then I go to Vedi a quiz. And this Vedi quiz has all the quiz questions under this particular image. All the quiz under this particular image, there are like 20 or thereabouts, that could come in any schedule I will do later. So if I do general quiz, if I see any of these ones that will come, one must come from me and they have been answered already. So what I do, I don't know why I failed it. Nobody can explain to me. I go to this place and look at it very well. Okay, this is why I failed it. I want to read it. Here, you could also use the voice. You click on the
In
voice.
presenza del segnale raffigurato e del semaforo a 3 luci, abbiamo la precedenza se il semaforo è a luce verde, ma l'agente del traffico ci ordina di fermarci.
Good. This one I've seen how it works. Then I could also go back again, this particular one, and click on this book part that is at the right hand side of the screen. It explains to me again why I failed it. Still in English, that particular question. It explains to me why I failed that particular question. So I don't need anybody again to come and explain to me. I can read. I can see why I failed it. And then now I know that that particular one, if I see it now, it is always fast. So all these ones have been answered. So I could play around like this with all other questions, all other topics that I will see in quiz. Or play like that. You just click on anyone. For example, I have issues with the stanza, the sequenza. I click on chapter 25. I tap on my screen. It opens. And I have issues with spatio or the stanza, the sequenza, which is the fourth one there. What will I do? I'll just click on this thing like this. It opens. I can read, but I don't understand it. So the English part is still there as well. I go to the English part and read it, and then I say, okay, this is why I failed it. This is why I understood it. Then what happens? What happens? I go to verdict quiz, and I now see all the quiz questions under the stanza, this quiz, and they are very much. You see it very, very much. And these ones, one or two will come out. Sorry, one or two will come out during the quiz. So at my leisure, look at it, they are almost 78 questions under the stanza discrepancy, meaning whatever scale that I open, one of these questions will come out. So now I go through it myself, cram it if I can. I go through the ones I don't understand, the questions I just did, because I'll do my quiz one by one. So I'll do my quiz like maybe topic by topics, and I'll choose from these ones. Then maybe I don't understand why I fail this one. I'll come to this place, look for the question. They're all here, and I say, okay, it's true or vero. And I say, okay, maybe number 75, the one I failed. And I listen to it from the
Sulla distanza di sicurezza influisce il numero di corsie della strada.
And then I open the book sign there. I read it again, and I see with the English, it explains to me, okay, this is why I failed it. English, it even gave more explanation like you are in a class. Then I say, okay. Then this one already know already that each time I see this one, it's fast. So with this, I can just be on my own and read on my own. Because here in Italy, you have the opportunity to go to school if you want to, if you can afford it. If you can't afford it, you stay at home and read. So use this step and just go through your application yourself. This one is Joker Online. You could play with your friends. Tell your friend, guy, around 4 o'clock, Moko do quiz. Connect with your phone or with your Gmail, and the person gets this application, and in his house, both of you do your quiz. You could be on a call and be doing it. You could be on WhatsApp call and be explaining to yourself. You don't need to move from your house. You see, it makes things easier for you. You send the person, you click, there's a way you do it. The person gets the message, you click on the thing, and both of you be seeing your screen. You'll be doing the same quiz, like you'll be doing the same quiz together, and then you explain to yourself why you failed it. So this is how to help yourself.